Hello guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm making fried chicken, or as my kids call it, homemade KFC. I clean the chicken, pat it dry with paper towels and place it in a large bowl. For the rub, I use vegeta, sweet paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, cumin powder and coriander powder. All these plus the quantities used are listed in the description down below, so be sure to check it out. I combine all the spices and seasoning and mix well. I don't add any salt because vegeta contains salt. However, feel free to adjust salt to taste if preferred. This may look like it's a lot, but some of it will be added to the flour for coating. I add the spice and seasoning mix followed by black pepper. The black pepper would typically be added to the mix, but I had forgotten, so I added it in at this point. I also add 2 to 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, which helps keep the dry rub on the chicken. I reserve some of the rub for later and massage this into the chicken and let it marinate in the fridge overnight. On the next day, I remove the chicken from the fridge half an hour before frying. I put the flour for coating in a large bowl and add the remaining spice mix and some salt. I mix to combine, then as the oil heats up, I coat the chicken. I coat each piece of chicken, shake off excess flour, and repeat this until all pieces are coated. Once the oil has reached a temperature of 180 degrees, I cook the chicken in batches. I add 6 drumsticks into the basket and fry. I cover and cook the chicken for 15 minutes, flipping the chicken halfway through. I'm using a deep fryer, but you can also use a deep frying pan on your stovetop. At this time, the chicken is well cooked. It should reach an internal temperature of at least 74 degrees. I let the oil heat up and cook the remaining chicken drumsticks. I place the chicken on a rack and give it time to rest before serving. Once the chicken is cooled, serve them with your preferred accompaniment. We served them with chips and salad. If you enjoyed this recipe, kindly give this video a thumbs up, engage in the comments, subscribe and share. Remember to click on the notification bell to be notified of my upcoming uploads. Thanks for stopping by and see you all in my next one.